Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Power steering belt replacement, a step-by-step guide. When it comes to keeping your vehicle running smoothly, the power steering belt plays a crucial role in the power steering system. Just like any other component in your car, the power steering belt can wear out over time and may need to be replaced. Signs that indicate the need for a power steering belt replacement include screeching noises when turning the steering wheel, difficulty in steering, or visible wear and tear on the belt itself. Ensuring your power steering system is functioning properly is essential for a safe and comfortable driving experience. Stay tuned to discover the steps involved in replacing a power steering belt and how you can do it yourself or with the help of a professional mechanic. Understanding power steering belt replacement. In the world of automotive maintenance, understanding the power steering belt is crucial for keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Let's look into the functions of the power steering belt and how to spot signs that indicate it might need a replacement. Function of the power steering belt. The power steering belt plays a pivotal role in the power steering system by transferring power from the engine to the steering mechanism, making steering easier and more responsive. Picture it as the unsung hero silently working behind the scenes to provide that seamless steering experience, especially when taking tight corners or maneuvering through parking lots. Without this belt, steering your vehicle would feel like embarking on an uphill quest every time you turn the wheel. Signs of a failing power steering belt. Recognizing the signs of a failing power steering belt can save you from a world of trouble down the road. One common red flag is a high-pitched squealing noise when you turn the steering wheel, indicating that the belt is slipping or worn out. Another telltale sign is difficulty in steering, where you might experience increased resistance or jerky movements while turning. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's time to consider a power steering belt replacement to maintain the smooth operation of your vehicle. Versus professional power steering belt replacement. When it comes to replacing a power steering belt, you have two main options: tackling the job yourself or enlisting the help of a professional. Both DIY and professional power steering belt replacement have their benefits, so let's delve into the details of each. Power steering belt replacement. If you're a hands-on person who enjoys taking care of vehicle maintenance yourself, DIY power steering belt replacement can be a rewarding experience. To get started, you'll need a few tools such as a wrench or socket set, a belt tensioner tool, and a new power steering belt that matches your vehicle's specifications. Here are the general steps to replace a power steering belt at home. 1. Locate the power steering pump and the belt that drives it. 2. Loosen the tensioner to remove the old belt. 3. Install the new belt, following the correct routing diagram for your specific vehicle. 4. Adjust the tension and make sure the belt is properly seated on all pulleys. While DIY replacement can save you money and give you a sense of accomplishment, it does come with some challenges. You may encounter difficulties accessing the belt due to tight spaces in the engine compartment, or you might struggle with proper tensioning. However, with patience and attention to detail, many car owners successfully replace their power steering belts at home. Professional power steering belt replacement. On the other hand, opting for professional power steering belt replacement offers certain advantages. Professional mechanics have the expertise and experience to quickly and accurately replace the belt, ensuring it is done correctly the first time. Additionally, many auto repair shops provide warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. By choosing a professional for power steering belt replacement, you can save time and avoid potential mistakes that could arise during a DIY attempt. Professional mechanics have access to specialized tools and equipment, making the job more efficient and precise. While this option may cost more than doing it yourself, the quality of work and added assurance can be well worth the investment. Whether you decide to replace your power steering belt yourself or seek professional help, the key is to prioritize the safety and performance of your vehicle. Consider your skill level, available time, and budget to determine the best approach for your specific situation. Power steering belt replacement cost. When it comes to replacing a power steering belt, the cost can vary depending on several factors. Let's dive into what you need to know. Factors affecting cost. The cost of replacing a power steering belt is influenced by a few key factors. One significant factor is the make and model of your vehicle. Different cars require different types of belts, and some are more expensive than others. Additionally, labor charges play a crucial role in determining the overall cost. Labor rates can vary based on the mechanic's expertise and location. We hope you found the information helpful in understanding the significance of the power steering belt and identifying when it requires replacement. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing your power steering belt. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.